When people ask what they can sow right now, they're usually hoping for a simple list. But the truth is, it depends where you live. The same date on the calendar can mean very different things in different gardens. Someone in southern England may already be sowing outdoors with confidence. Someone in Hungary might be enjoying warmer days, but still watching for late cold nights. Someone in parts of Canada or the northern United States may still be waiting for the soil to warm properly before certain crops go in. And that matters because successful sowing isn't just about the month, it's about the conditions. For example, carrots and beetroot like workable soil that isn't waterlogged or freezing cold. Peas prefer cooler weather and can often be sown early, but they'll do better in soil that drains well. Beans and sweet corn prefer warmth. Rush them into cold ground and they often sulk, stall, or rot. Lettuce, spinach, and radish can be excellent choices in many places right now, especially if temperatures are still mild. Toms, peppers, and cucumbers may be ready to sow or grow on under protection, but in many areas they're not ready for outdoor planting just yet. So when people ask, what can I sow now? The better question is this: what can I sow now, where I live? That's one reason I created Your Growing Companion. Instead of relying on a one-size-fits-all calendar, it uses your location and season to help guide what can be sown now and what jobs matter in your garden at this time of year. Because gardening gets easier when advice matches your reality. So yes, there are plenty of things you may be able to sow right now, but your climate, your temperatures, and your timing matter more than today's date. If you'd like help staying on track through the season, I'll leave a link for Your Growing Companion below.